Sentro.
Ano po, 500 pesos. Then I said, yes, kasya ng 500 pesos. But it depends on the number of the family members. Kasi usually, ang family members na kasya itong 500 is mom, dad, and 2 children. So, ngayon, yung ibang family members naman po ay mother and let's say daughter or son, or father and then daughter or son, or can be mother, father, and 1 child. So yun po yung explanation ko dun sa 500 pesos. But again, the Noche Buena celebration or Noche Buena handa will depend on the number of family members or even extended relatives that will be joining the Noche Buena celebration. But when they asked the 500 pesos, this meant that when I explained, this is for, again, mother and father and 2 children. And then this guy, we got these prices from the price set by the DTI, which is this Noche Buena price guide list. In fact, itong price guide list, nandito po ito sa social media ng DTI at saka nandun din sa website ng DTI and nakapaskil din po ito sa groceries and supermarkets. So just to set the record straight, where we got the 500 pesos is for a family of 4, meaning mother, father, or basta 4 sila sa pamilya, meron na po itong Christmas ham na 170 pesos. And then yung spaghetti, which is the spaghetti noodles and the spaghetti sauce. So the noodles is 30 pesos. This is all from...
Palit lang ka ng sweet malunggay pandesal.
Ay, tangatang pagita.
Tangatang pagit. May lang, kanang 500 pesos ni mo, ining abot sa Nochebuena. Kinigiingon nga spaghetti. Ako, di pa ko ganahan ni mga dessert ko. Palit na lang kining kining premium D3 coffee mix. Palit na yun kining hot malunggay pandesal.
Pares na.
Pares na. Okay,
ang imong pag-spanda sa holidays, healthy pa.
Healthy pa yun. Nagka-premium D3 coffee mix ka mga katropa. Plus, malunggay cheese pandesal. Doon na malunggay, doon na pa cheese. Magkamagita na.
Dako na kayo sukli sa 500 pesos.
Dako na kayo.